Hello. Two trains AB of length 400 meter each are moving on two parallel tracks with uniform speed 72 km per hour in the same direction with A ahead of B. Driver of A decide to overtake B होना चाहिए and accelerates by 1 meter per second square. After 50 seconds, guard of B just brushes past the driver of A. What was the original distance between them? All right, so first we will visualize this question. This is the first train, this is the second train, A, B, and the driver of it and guard of it, driver of it and guard of it. Now, okay, guard of B means this, brushes past driver of A. Means this is not the case of now the trains. This is not the case of trains anymore. We can consider both of them as two persons or two objects, G and D, which have certain distance between them. So there is no point of the length of the train, all right, or whether they are train or not, what was their separation, initial separation. It is pointless. We have to find distance between guard and driver. So this is the distance, x. And now there's a case of relative motion. So what we will do, we'll apply relative motion condition for them. It is moving with some initial velocity. I'm writing it ud. It is moving with some initial velocity ug, and they travel some distance, and that is relative distance between them, s of g with respect to d is x. Now there are three things. First, relative displacement of guard with respect to driver. Guard of A, guard of B with respect to driver of A. Just remember that. But as I have just reduced them to single guard and single driver, so now it is the case of 2-point object from my side. So SGD is X. Then initial velocity. Initial velocity of this guard with respect to this driver. So there's no point. Both of them initially were at same speed, at same velocity. So I'm not even writing it. Otherwise, what I have to write, I have to change it into meter per second and then subtract both of them, because both of them are moving in same direction. And relative acceleration of guard with respect to driver. So the train of that second guard is accelerating. So acceleration of that guard minus acceleration of that driver, and that is 1. 1 minus 0, because the other train is not accelerating. So it is 1. All right. In the same way, it was like UG minus UD, and both were having same value. No need to put it here. We can say both are equal, so relative velocity between them is 0. Now directly we will put the value SGD equal to UGDT plus half AGDT square, which is UGDT 0, this term is 0, plus half 1 into 50 square. Now you can calculate it. You'll find the answer. Put proper unit meter. Bye bye.